before or after. Sounds of distant laughter. Thought-provoking wisps of smoking memories gone by. What was or maybe is could have been not dead, but lives. Love and dreams, crossroads, and gravity defied. Waking or sleeping, shadows of happiness and weeping. Choices made and time delayed its course. Finding or losing, passenger of passive choosing, battling against the unseen force. Paper or stone, the author never alone, blown by wind, maybe anchored to the ground. Open or closed, heart's destination imposed, like sand from hands, its subtlety of sound. Night or day, soul forced to find the way to ends of life and monumental bliss, more or less, humbly to confess the distant past and future's forbidden kiss.